Tiana here from Mind Body Movement Center. I'm going to show 3 variations of a side plank that I will often take some of my students through. So this is your work in for your workout. So being really mindful throughout, using the breath. We'll start with a side plank just on your forearm and your knees. So lining the body up, elbows right under the shoulder. You're going to engage that shoulder blade back and down, exhale to rise up, and then we're lifting off the ground. Now I might start to take you into a little rotation of the head using your breath. So you're guiding with that motion with the breath. All right, so maybe 5 times or so with the breath. The next version, I'm going to use this bookcase as my modified wall. So I would tuck my foot to the baseboard of the wall, press my foot into it, and lift this leg, or lift the hips upward. So I have a force going towards the wall or towards my outstretched leg, and then down through to rise up. So then we might, from this vantage point, also add in the rotations. Great, and then we're down to rest and shake out the shoulder. All right, last version, I'm gonna use these books this time as my wall. So in this version, engage the shoulder first, exhale to rise up, and then I'm pressing my foot into the wall, rising up and over. And then again, you could add the arm motions in, or you could just have an extended version where you're reaching foot to the wall, arm up over above you, and pausing there. Great. All right, and then of course you do the other side. So there's your work in to work out. All right.